Tanya. Is that so? She's looking at my gut.
Well,
Talking right to my gut.
Oh,
it's
Dad.
hard to miss, huh?
You want to hear a song?
What?
Shh, hold on, Aaron.
Are you recording?
Mr.
Yeah.
Turkey, Mr. Turkey, big and fat, big and fat. I'm going to eat you, I'm going to eat you, just like that, just like that.
Nice. It's a good song.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Do your homework.
Happy birthday. Was like,
I wonder if I can pop that out.
happy birthday. Dad, you know what?
Tanya.
The fat part reminds me of the fat.
Hey! Do you got a tongue? Let's see it.
Skills over too.
Okay, say see you later. Show me that tongue. Show me that tongue.
Good.